how to change birthday on Litmatch. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. This tutorial you will learn how you can change your birthday on the Litmatch application. So if you've been intending to change your birthday, then this is the best tutorial for you, and sure you see through to the end. The first step is to log in into your Litmatch account, just like I have done here. And once that is done, move to the bottom right corner where you can see your avatar, which stands for your profile. Once you're on your profiles page, move to the top right corner where you can see the settings icon and just click on it. And so after clicking on the settings icon, you'll be brought to the settings page. On this page, you can see a number of options like switch mode, edit profile, change avatar, notifications, language, help center, etc. Just click on edit profile. On the edit profiles page, you can see nickname, lit ID, birthday, bio, etc. So just click on birthday, and so you can see, please state your exact birthday carefully. This is the last chance to edit your birthday. So you have to note that you can only change your birthday once on the Litmatch application. So it's not something that you can do anytime you like. All right. And so if you still want to change your birthday, click on change, and so you can go ahead and make your necessary changes. Okay. And so once you're done, click on that, then move to the top right corner, click on done, and so click on confirm, and so your birthday has been changed. Okay, that is it. Your birthday has been changed. So go ahead and make those changes today. Thank you for watching and have a good day.